Hey, what's going on, guys? In my previous video I have shown guys how to build multiple constructors. Here we are going to see a little bit furthermore on that coding and see what is set and get methods. Okay, now here this is until this point we did it in the last tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to continue and finish it furthermore. Okay, now let's go ahead and create the methods. So first method is, we created already a method public void set time, and also we are going to create method for each of these things like set hour, set minute, and set second. Now let's go ahead and do that. Public void set hour, and in the bracket I put the argument integer h for hour, and then curly bracket begins right here, and then we are going to create the condition hour is equal to, in the bracket, like an if else statement. Like in the if else statement short form, I think I mentioned in one of the videos, it's called conditional operator or something. Like in this one, what we'll do is we create a limit like if else statement. If this is true, do this. If it's not, do the other thing. Like that, if h is greater than or equal to 0, and to put and we put double ampersand, and then h is less than 24, go and print the hour. Okay, because we know the hour limit is 24 to like a 0 to 24. That's what we are setting right here. Hour limit is 0 to 24. So if within this condition we are going to print hour, so question mark and after that h0. Okay, now like this we are going to do the same thing for minutes and seconds as well, but the only difference is minute has 60 minutes and also second also has 60 seconds. That's going to be the only difference. Now let's copy this one and paste it right here. Command V. Okay, now here I change this one into set minute, so integer m right here, and this is m, and then this should be 0 to 60, and this is m, and then this one, change this one into minute, and here again this one is second, set second, and integer s, and then this one should be s, and here it's s, and here it's s, and that's it, and here it should be small h. Okay, now we are done with this one, and let's go to the next one. Now we created 3 methods. Now we are going to create our get methods. We have set all the set method. Now we are going to do all the get methods. To create the get methods, I put public integer get hour bracket, and then inside of this curly bracket I'm gonna put return hour. Okay, like that we are gonna do it for minute and second as well. So copy this one, paste it 2 more times, and change this one into minute, get minute, and this one should be minute, and here I forgot to change this one to second, smallest. Okay, this one is minute, just minute, and here this is get second, and this one should be second. Okay, Now finally we are gonna create our another method, that is public string to military within the curly bracket we are going to type return dot not dot return string dot format, and here we are going to set the digits percentage 0 to D, percentage 0 to D, percentage 0 to D, and then comma get hour, and then get minute, get hour bracket, get hour bracket, and then get minute bracket, and then get second bracket. Okay, now we close all the bracket and semicolon. Now we are done with this. Now let's see the errors. Okay, we created this second and I didn't close the curly bracket right here. Okay, once I close, here we have public. This one should pub, and this one is minute is greater than or equal to 0, and this one should be m right here. And what else we have? We have public string is capital, and then to military, and here we have return string format. This one is percentage 0 to D, percentage 0 to D, percentage 0 to D, and then get hour, get minute, get second, and we close this one right here, and then that's it. Now we have done all this bunch of things. Here we have seen set and get methods. Now to see this one more clearly, like what the hell did we type right here? To see this one, I'm gonna do that one in my next tutorial. And here in my next tutorial, here we are going to create some objects, and here we are going to create 4 objects because we created 4 constructors, like 1 constructor right here, 2, 3, and 4. We have created 4 constructors, so we are going to create 4 objects, and we are going to do something with the program. I'm going to show you guys those things in my next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next video, and see you guys later.